Hello students, in previous video I give you the answers of thinking about text first and second. Lesson number 6, My Childhood, the autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now students, here we next go to the next questions. Discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Means you have to write all the answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Like first one is, on the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups, says the author. Now, first one is, which social groups does he mention? Were these groups easily identifiable, for example, by the way they dressed? Now, write the answer. Abdul Kalam speaks of two social groups of Rameshwaram. There were Orthodox Brahmins and Muslims. The two social groups had some marked differences regarding their faith and way of dressing themselves. The Muslims wore caps and the Hindus wore the sacred thread on the upper part of their bodies from neck to stomach. Second, were they aware only of their differences or did they also naturally share friendship and experiences? Think of the bedtime stories in Kalam's house of who his friends were and of what used to take place in pond near his house. So you get in this paragraph, answer is, but they did share their friendship and experiences. For example, Abdul Kalam is a Muslim, but his school friends were Orthodox Brahmins. Abdul Kalam's family arranged boats for carrying the idols of Sri Sita Ram from temple to the marriage sites. His mother and grandmother told him stories from the Ramayana and from the life of the Prophet. Third, the author speaks both of people who were very aware of the differences among them and those who tried to bridge these differences. Can you identify such people in the text? There were people who were aware of their differences. Two such persons mentioned in the lesson are Shiva Subramaniam Iyer's wife, and the new teacher. Iyer's wife refused to serve food to a Muslim boy in her ritually pure kitchen. The new teacher found Abdul Kalam sitting with his friend Ramananda in the front row. Abdul wore a cap. The teacher could see that he was a Muslim. He asked Abdul to go to the last row, but Abdul and Ramananda were heartbroken. Fourth, narrate two incidents that show how differences can be created and also how they can be resolved. How can people change their attitudes? Answer is, Ramananda's father, the high priest of Rameshwaram temple, rebuked the teacher. He told him not to create segregation between children. The young teacher changed his attitude. So this one is the first incident. The second incident is Kalam's science teacher Shiva Subramania Iyer tried to bridge the gap between the two groups. He invited Kalam to dinner. His wife refused to serve a Muslim boy in her kitchen, but Iyer did not mind. He served Kalam with his own hands. He sat down by Kalam and ate his meal. His wife noticed that there was no difference between Kalam and a Brahmin boy. She changed her attitude. Next time, she served Kalam with her own hands. The above incidents show that racial differences can be bridged through change of attitude. Second question, Why did Abdul Kalam want to leave Rameshwaram? Answer. Abdul Kalam wanted to go to Ramanandapuram for higher studies. He asked his father's permission. Kalam's mother was hesitant. She did not want to part from her son. Second, what did his father say to this? Abdul Kalam's father was an intelligent man. Though he was not much educated, he knew that children had to leave home for a better career. So he gave his permission gladly. He spoke philosophically that a seagull flies far off in search of food. Third, what do you think his words mean? Why do you think he spoke those words? Answer. He told Kalam's mother that parents only give birth to their children. They can only give their love to them, but they should not force their thoughts on them. They should give them freedom of thought and choice of career. He spoke those words to enhance Kalam's self-confidence and for freedom of his thoughts. So students, these are your answer of thinking about the text. So you have to write it in your fair notebook and learn it.